crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl.
Yeah, welcome. This is your boy ttaphisco at the Crypto Huddle. Thank you for joining me. For those who are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for subscribing. This is a demonstration video of how to convert AVAX to BNB. Okay, so I have some AVAX and I want to convert it to BNB. I also have another video showing the opposite, where I was converting BNB to AVAX. Now I'm converting AVAX to BNB. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a site called Pangolin.exchange right here. Okay, it's called Pangolin, Pangolin.exchange. Okay, I'm going to get here. I'm going to connect my wallet. I do have AVAX in the wallet already. I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. Here you go, and I am connected. Okay, and I do have some AVAX in my wallet. I'm gonna click max. But first you want to make sure that your MetaMask you are in the AVAX, in the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, so I'm in the Avalanche blockchain. As soon as I open it up, I have 1.64725 Avalanche or AVAX. I'm going to click on max because I want to transfer all of it, and here I'm going to select BNB. So when I select this BNB actually resides within the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, so I'm going to convert the AVAX to BNB, but this BNB is not what I want. This is not actually what I want. I want the BNB that is going to be in the smart chain. So I'm going to use another tool called Anyswap to bridge it. Okay, to bridge the BNB to the actual BNB. Okay, all right. So I'm going to click on swap, confirm. Actually, that was swap, and then I'm going to confirm. So this is showing insufficient because I'm using all of it. So I'm going to try to use it, not all of it. You always need some gas fee, guys. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit swap. We got to leave some AVAX for gas fee. And now I have enough to do the conversion. So that's done. That is being converted to the BNB in the Avalanche blockchain. And after this is done, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head to Anyswap exchange, which is another exchange. So this is complete right now. Okay, so now I have BNB in the Avalanche blockchain. Now I'm gonna go to Google and type Avalanche. Okay, no, I'm gonna type Anyswap. Sorry, guys. Anyswap exchange. Be careful, guys. Whenever you go to Google, there's always a lot of different bad sites. So always be careful. I know this is Anyswap anyway, so I'm gonna click next, connect. Okay. So when I'm in Anyswap here, I want to be in the Avalanche blockchain. I'm going to select actually, and I'm not going to be routing. I'm actually going to be bridging. Okay, so I'm going to click on bridge. Here I'm going to do I'm sorry, I'm going to select BNB that is already in the Avalanche. I'm going to select the BNB in the Avalanche blockchain, and then I'm going to bridge it to the BNB in the Binance. So Let's give this some time to settle. Okay, it shows that I have 0.3 BNB. Okay, after I did the swap, it shows that I have 0.03 BNB. Okay, I'm not gonna use everything. I'm just gonna do 0.3, and then I'm gonna hit here agree, and then I'll hit the swap button. Okay, 0.3 BNB. This is actually gonna be the correct BNB that I need right now. So let me just check how much this is in value. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to CoinMarketCap and just check it while you guys are looking at the environment and all that. I'm over here just checking it to make sure. 0.3, which is about $124. Okay, all right, I'm gonna hit confirm here. I'm gonna hit, actually before I hit confirm, let me explain it again. So here, this is that BNB that I converted from Avalanche. It's still here, and this is 0.3. okay, and I want to convert it to the BNB in the Binance Smart Chain, and then I'll have the real BNB here. Okay, so that's my goal. Okay, all right, so now we can move on. Hit swap, confirm again, and I'm gonna confirm it. So once you do that, you're bridging, because you're dealing with two blockchains. You're dealing with Avalanche and you're dealing with Binance. So after this is done, you will see that it says please wait minutes to check the cross-chain transaction status on the Explorer. Okay, so at this point it's just a waiting game. All I have to do is just go to my Binance, my MetaMask, and just see if it's there or not. And most likely it will be there. So I don't have no BNB here, but we'll see it. This takes sometimes 5 minutes. So we'll just wait until it gets here. That way you guys know that this is happening. And while you're watching this, I have another video to show you if you want to convert from Binance to AVAX. I also have a video. I'm gonna put that in the link. These are important things, because sometimes, you know, when you are in a decentralized exchange, you can just do convert, you know, Binance to AVAX or AVAX to Binance easier. So we're gonna give this some time. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna wait. While I'm waiting, I'm on my phone just researching other things. Oh, bam, there you go, it arrived. So now I got my BNB, and I'm all golden. Well, let me see how much I got. It was 0.3 I sent. I got 0.2. So there was some fees involved. So it was 124. So it's like $5 it cost me. All right, guys. So this is how you do it, and you know, and peace out. Have a good night.
Crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl, crypto hodl.